wonder if people in Ireland have forgotten that eviction is a dirty word in this country. Charles Stewart Parnell, Michael Davitt, throughout the 19th century, fought against eviction. And I find it astonishing that an Irish republic should stand over eviction. Not only that, but they should invite the vulture funds into this country to buy up the slack and make a profit out of it, because there is no other motive in vulture funds other than vulgar profiteering. And what's happened really here is, just as at the time of the famine, a rigid economic theory is being implemented in this country as if we were some kind of a laboratory experiment. But we're dealing with real people. We're dealing with human misery. We're dealing with people over years being tortured over financial worry. And when I look at the ECB, the European Central Bank, I have to say it makes me grimace. These were the people who illegally forced this country into redeeming the bondholders, taking on board the gambling debts of the Irish banks. And then they turned around and did precisely the opposite in Cyprus. So there was no principle involved. And we paid out 65 billion. The bondholders were laughing all the way to the banks. Some of them bought up the bonds at 5% of their face value, and the Irish taxpayer was forced to redeem them at 100% of face value. And when the vulture funds move into this country, take over the distressed mortgages and evict people, guess what the cherry on the pie is? The Irish taxpayer will be presented with the bill for the evictions.